long time since I have sat in front of the camera like this and have done a video. It's been years. It's so good to see you guys. I'm so glad to be back. You know, the past few years I have been solely focused on growing on Instagram, and now that I have built my Instagram up to a little something, I want to come back here on YouTube and definitely do more teaching, especially when it comes to head wraps. What I learned from Instagram is that a lot of people need more long format videos rather than the short term 30-second head wrap tutorials, and they may need a little bit of coaching and those little tidbits. So here I am, and I'm going to teach you guys a brand new tutorial. I'm going to be using my Vana Headwrap, as you can see here. And yeah, let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I am locked. I've been locked for about 2 years. It'll be 2 years in June. So ever since I locked my hair, I have been getting into headbands. And so I'm going to show you that head wrap tutorial today, a new one. So what we're going to do is we're going to split our head wrap in half and fold it together. Did that make sense? We're going to fold it in half like this. Make sure that both sides are even. Come behind your head like this. And we are just going to twist once. So come together like so and twist. Then we're going to take each side like so. And I'm going to move to the side and then to the back. We're going to tuck each end. See right here, this creates a pocket. We're going to tuck each end inside each pocket. Right here, and there's a little pocket right here. You're going to come back around and play around with your hair. You see how simple and easy that was? Head wrapping does not have to be difficult, you guys. Not at all. So play with your hair a little bit and get it to the point that you like. You can put it to the side. You can pull hairs out from the top if you want. I'm kind of happy with how it looks like this. And this is the final look, you guys. Simple and easy. If you wanted to, you could go ahead and put like a pin in the middle right here. Do I have any pins around? Oh, I have a flower. You could put a flower in the middle like so and really own this look. I hope this helps you guys. I hope you guys like the tutorial. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. See you. Bye.